Hi guys, today I'm going to show you actually how to sign up for the Shareasale affiliate program in just a couple of minutes. So if you're looking to earn commission by, promoting popular products, Shareasale is a great place to start. I'm going to show you just how you can do that. So first things first, guys, you actually want to visit Shareasale and start the sign up process. Okay, just head over to this website, and once here, you want to select the affiliate sign up button. Okay, set up here, click on affiliate sign up button. You're going to come to this page. And this is where you want to start your registration process. You can come down here, all the way down here, and you want to click on create my account. Okay, so we're going to be doing the sign up process, guys. Okay, so once this form loads up, what we actually need to do, guys, is fill in our basic information. So you'll need to put in a name, a username, right? Your email address. You got to confirm your password. And also note to consider, guys, this is only available in certain countries. So if your country is actually not listed here, that means you cannot become an affiliate with Shareasale, okay? So, and then after you create this, you're gonna have to put in your website URL, right? And if you don't actually have a website, guys, you can consider using a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media profile as your primary traffic source. And once you've actually filled in all your details, guys, you're actually going to have to agree to the terms and conditions of the agreement, and then just click submit to finalize your application. And what's going to happen, guys, is Shareasale will actually review everything, and everything looks good. You'll actually receive an approval email within a few days. And after you approve, you just have to log into your Shareasale dashboard, and from here you can browse thousands of merchants and apply to affiliate programs that actually match your niche. So once accepted, you can start sharing affiliate links and earn your commissions, guys. That's it, guys. Signing up with Shareasale is actually that's super easy, and it's a great way to start making money with affiliate marketing, guys. And if this video helps, guys, make sure